Hello students and welcome to my online English video class. Once again we are going to discuss question answer on unit 9, the dusk. Okay, in the last class I explained the chapter and I told that I will discuss all question answer in this video. So today without waste of time, let us begin the class in which we are going to discuss all question answer of the chapter dusk. Okay, so student, here you can see that in understanding of the book. The first question says that why did Godsby call dusk the hour of the defeated? Okay, why did Godsby call dusk the hour of defeated? So, student, let us see the first answer. Here it says that Godsby called dusk the hour of the defeated because he believed that it was the time when the less fortunate came out feeling revealed that they would be able to go about their work unnoticed. Okay, it is because the hour of the defeated, because he believed that it was the time when the less fortunate came out, means the person who is less fortunate, they came out. Why? Because they, for feeling relief that they would able to go outside, and they thought that nobody can notice them. Question number 2 says, why did the bright light represent to God's spy? Okay, so the bright lights represented the lives of those people who never had to struggle or fight for anything in life. These were the lucky ones who were able to live happily lives, free from trouble and the want. So the people who never have any struggle in their life, they are free from the struggles and any trouble. They are the lucky person according to God's right. Okay. Okay, question number 3. Describe the old man's appearance. So here you have to describe the appearance of the old man. Okay, so old man had dropping shoulders and a firm expression on his face. Although his clothes were not shabby or untidy, they certainly did not make him seem as if he was a rich, fashionable man. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4 says, how did the young man say he would be able to find the address of the hotel? Why didn't he use this method? Okay. So why did he use this method? See, the young man said that he would be able to find the address of the hotel by writing to his people. He did not use this method because they would only get the letter the next day, which mean that he would not have a place to stay until then. Question 5. In the foreign country it would be so difficult. What was it in the sentence refer to? Why it is easier in a foreign country? Okay, so here it refers to a young man's problem of having to find a place to rest for night, especially since he had not have any money. It would not have been so difficult in a foreign city because he would have not been able to get in touch with the council's office and ask for help, and as I explained you in the chapter. Okay, so question 6 I will read from the book. Here question 6 says that he would have been genius in his profession. What did Ghostwhy think that the young man's profession was, and why? Okay, so very simple question, student. You can see here that he would have been a genius in his profession. What was his profession according to Ghostwhy? So let us see answer. Ghostwhy thought that the man's profession was that of a trickers or a conman because the latter's elaborate story, which was recounted in a great detail. Ghostwhy felt that the details did not add up, and so he felt that the man was a Exactly, means he is making some trick for the false story. Okay, question number 7. My doubts are gone. What were the God's White's doubt and how did they go? So, what was his doubt? So, he was doubtful whether the man was telling the truth. His doubts were gone because he asked for the cake of soap, which the young man had been able to produce, which what was later found by God's himself. Okay. Question 8. Poor boy, he nearly broke down. Why did Godsby think the boy broke down? What do you think was the actual reason that the boy looked to hassle? Okay. So Godsby thought that the boy nearby broke down because he was upset at not having any money nor receiving any help from anyone. The boy actually nearby broke down because he wanted to escape before Godsby saw through him for the second time. Okay, now appreciating the question. Here it says in literature, the setting of a story refers to the time, place, and background in which the story is set. This story is set against the background of dusk. How does the setting affect the overall atmosphere of the story, and how does it affect to the man named Norman Godsby? So here the story is set during dusk. It adds to the mood and setting of the story. It makes the atmosphere appear serious and sober, thus indicating that something is about to take place. It sets the tone of the story and prepare us for the strange events that take place. Okay. Now what about B? So Norman Godsby is of the view that dusk is meant for those who have defeated by life and therefore can come out only after sundown so that they remain hidden and invisible from the world, especially to those people who are unfortunate and have no cares. Okay, thus it puts him in a serious mood while he is sympathetic towards those who regards as defeated. Dusk, that is dusk student, D-U-S-K, okay? D-U-S-K, make that dusk. Dusk make him distressful and wary of the people around him. Question 2. Irony is a figure of speech in which the word used in a way such as intended meaning in the opposite of the actual meaning. It can also refer to situations which turns out differently from what is expected. So what is the irony that writer is asking here? Okay, so see that what is irony here. The cake of soap becomes a tool of irony in this story. Godsby asks the young man for proof in front of a cake of soap, and thus the absence of proof makes Godsby looks very clever, as we see that he feels very pleased with himself for using the idea of cake of soap avoiding being cheated. That he thought that he is not being cheated by the man, but actually what happened in the story, he is somewhere cheated. He is completely cheated by the man because the cake of soap was not belong to the man. Actually, he belongs to the old person. Ironically, the sudden and uncanny appearance of this very cake of soap is the reason that he gets cheated. Okay. Now let's talk on the exercise. So student, here the exercise given, it says that complete the paragraph with the correct forms of the verb in the bracket. So this story is given in past, so all the verbs that is given here that you have to use in the past. Okay. So will becomes would, can become could, go becomes went, draw will drew, and then after said, draw will drew. Okay. Then after see will be saw, then say will said. Okay, said, and then R will have a studying, wants, practices, applying. Okay. Now student, here is another exercise given in your book, that is I will read what it's saying that for each of the sentences we write down other sentences as indicated to refer the same future event. Okay, Suresh and his friend arrived by 9:30 p.m. flight tonight. So here in present progressive, and then after in the form of going to. So that will be what Suresh and his friends are arriving by 9:30 p.m. flight tonight. In going to form, the same sentence becomes Suresh and his friend are going to arrive by 9:30 p.m. flight tonight. So in the same context, we have to say the different sentences given here in your book. So first I told, the second will be Fawad Ali mailed the travel agency for the tickets to Bangkok. So this sentences is given to will. The word will has given, means you have to make it from future tense, and then after the second one says, here you have to use the second one present progressive form. So in present progressive it will be Fawad is mailing the travel agency for tickets to Bangkok. In third, the first you have to make in going form. So it is soon going to be difficult to meet a person without a mobile, and the sentence is of simple present, so it is difficult to meet a person without mobile phone. Number 4, Sonal hosts a farewell party for Kumar next week. Second one, that is Sonal or Sonali. Okay student, it is Sonal, not Sonali. Okay, that is Sonal. Okay, so Sonal is hosting a farewell party for Kumar next week. Then after 5 says, when does the timetable arrange? Second will be, when will the timetable, sorry, when does the timetable change? Second will be, when will the timetable change? Okay, then after number 6, we are creating a new logo for the team. We will create a new logo for the team. Will the monsoon start in November? Is the monsoon going to start in November? Or another will be, will the monsoon will be starting in November. So 8 will be, the Prime Minister speaks to the people tomorrow. The Prime Minister is going to speak to the people tomorrow. Okay. So here 8 sentences is finished. Okay, now the next exercise is saying what? Okay, next exercise is given in the same page. I told you, yeah, here. So student, look at these words from the text. Tick correct the ones in which un, im and re have been used as prefix from to form the new words. Underline the words where un, re and the other parts of them. And so here the words are given. That is underlined. Okay, these words. See, unhappy, notice and impossible. So these, okay, one is retrace. So here you can take re, then unhappy, unnoticed and impossible. So these things are clear. Okay, exercise B, I will read from the book. Make sentences based on these situations using the correct words from the from among of the that you have ticked in the exercise A. Okay, so this is the second one. Okay, so what is the first situation? You have heard an owl hooted but just cannot spot it because it had hidden itself very well in a trash. So student, that will be the answer is what? See, first answer that you have ticked in first example. So see that the first answer is impossible, that you have already ticked here. Okay, what about the second? I will read from the book. You would not have seen the flower in bloom if you had not cared to water to plant in your backward. So that will be unnoticed. Okay, what about the third? Your sister has misplaced her handkerchiefs and is therefore going over the path she was just in order to look for it. So this answer will be retraced. Question number 3. Complete these sentences given sentences by adding suffix ly, able, meant, shun or ness. Okay, so student, see that suffix you have to use here. Okay, here you have to use suffix in this sentence. So here you can write imagination, Tion. Okay, second will be second answer becomes ness, carelessness. Okay, third will be hurriedly, ly. Okay, fourth will be comfortable, table. These are prefix you are using here. Then after embarrassment, anti. Okay, embarrassment. Okay, so here all answers I have also written. You can take these answers from there. Okay, then the last exercise D. Now, based on this situation, make sentences with the highlighted words using these suffixes like full, al, ious, and ly. So rapid becomes rapidly. Okay, this rapid becomes ly, rapidly. Doubt becomes student doubtful. Okay, ful. Fiction become fictional, NaL. Okay, then after the last caution become conscious, Tious. Okay, so student, in this way we have completed these exercises. All exercises are given here. You can see the answers from exercises given here. So in this way student, we have completed all question answer and all the exercises. So all the exercises are to be done in book, and then question answer you can write in your copy. On an appreciating question also you have to write in your copy. Okay, and for word meaning, students will not write word meaning in their copy. Even they will learn all the word meaning from their book. So for the next chapter, till that time student, I hope that this is the last chapter of second term. So for the next class we will have a revision class of the chapters one by one. Till that time, thank you so much and have a nice day.